What if I told you DeepSeek is one of the easiest way to make $12,500 over and over again using just your smartphone? And what if I told you it's completely free? Well, stick around because today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it as a beginner using DeepSeek. But before I explain how DeepSeek works, let me tell you about what product we're going to use it for. Trust me, by the time I'm done, you'll be dying to know how DeepSeek fits into all of this. So if you are interested, knowing that this does not require any money, any technical skills, or any previous knowledge or experience, go ahead and write for me in the comment DeepSeek R1. Okay, here's the deal. We are going to use DeepSeek to promote products that are worth thousands per sale. The product we're going to promote is a high-ticket affiliate offer. It's a product or service that costs thousands of dollars, like this $5,000 digital marketing course on Copecart. Don't worry, I will show you how to automate everything soon using my free recommendation. Now, why would anyone promote a $5,000 product? Simple. The commissions are insane. If this course has a 50% commission rate, that's $2,500 in your pocket for every sale. Imagine selling just 5 of these in a month. That's $12,500. But here's the catch. Promoting high-ticket products isn't easy. You need to create content that grabs attention, builds trust, and convinces people to spend thousands of dollars. That's where DeepSeek comes in. Now, you're probably thinking, how the heck do I create content that sells a $5,000 product? Don't worry, I'm about to show you how DeepSeek makes it ridiculously easy. But first, let me explain what DeepSeek is and why it's a game changer. DeepSeek is an AI-powered tool that helps you create high-quality content in minutes. Whether it's writing viral Twitter threads, creating Instagram reels, or finding trending topics, DeepSeek does all the heavy lifting for you. And the best part? It's completely free to use. That's right, no monthly subscriptions, no hidden fees, just your smartphone and DeepSeek. Now, here's where it gets interesting. DeepSeek isn't just any AI tool. It's specifically designed to help you create content that sells. And when you combine it with high-ticket affiliate offers, the results are mind-blowing. Still with me? Good. Because I'm about to show you exactly how to use DeepSeek to promote that $5,000 product and make $12,500 again and again. Trust me, you're going to want to watch till the end for this. Let's start with Twitter threads. Twitter threads are one of the most powerful ways to promote high-ticket products. Why? Because they allow you to tell a story, provide value, and subtly pitch your offer. But here's the problem. Writing a killer thread takes time and skill. That's where DeepSeek comes in. With DeepSeek, you can create a viral thread in minutes. Here's how it works. Open DeepSeek, select the Twitter thread template, and give it a topic. For example, let's say you're promoting that $5,000 course. You can ask DeepSeek to write a thread titled, "How I Made $12,500 in 30 Days Using This One Strategy." DeepSeek will create a thread that hooks your audience, provides value, and includes a call to action to check out the product. Here's an example of what it might look like. How I made $12,500 in 30 days using this one strategy. No fluff, just actionable steps you can use today. Step 1, I identified a high-ticket product with proven demand. I used Copecart to find a $5,000 digital marketing course that had rave reviews and a 50% commission rate. Step 2, I created a Twitter thread breaking down the exact strategy I used to promote it. This thread alone brought in over 50 leads in 24 hours. Step 3, I engaged with my audience, answered their questions, and built trust. This led to 5 sales in the first week, earning me $4,500 in commissions. Want to learn the exact steps I took? Check out the course here. Trust me, it's worth every penny. See how easy that was? DeepSeek writes the entire thread for you. All you have to do is post it and watch the leads roll in. Instead of just posting your threads on Twitter only, also copy the same threads and post it on your thread account. It will help you get sales even faster. But wait, there's more. Next, let's talk about Instagram Reels. Reels are a goldmine for driving traffic and sales, but creating a viral reel isn't easy, unless you have DeepSeek. With DeepSeek, you can create a reel script in minutes. Here's how. Open DeepSeek, select the reel script template, and give it a topic. For example, how to make $12,500 in 30 days. DeepSeek will generate a script for you. Then, use your smartphone to record the reel and add trending music. Want to make $12,500 in 30 days? Here's how. 1. Find a high-ticket product with proven demand. 2. Create content that provides value and builds trust. 3. Drive traffic to your offer using Twitter threads and Instagram Reels. I'll show you exactly how to do it. Click the link in my bio to learn more. Post your reel, add a call to action, and watch the traffic flow to your affiliate link. But we're not done yet. There's one more strategy you need to know. Let's talk about trending topics. DeepSeek can help you find what's trending on Twitter and Instagram so you can create content that goes viral. Open DeepSeek, select the Trending Topics feature, and let it analyze the latest trends. For example, if AI tools are trending, you can create a thread or reel about how AI tools like DeepSeek can help people make money online. Before we recap, click the link in the description to learn how I make passive income using this business model without any previous experience. Don't miss this. Now use DeepSeek to write viral Twitter threads to promote high-ticket affiliate products. 2. Create Instagram reels that drive traffic to your offers. 3. Use DeepSeek to find trending topics and capitalize on them. Remember, all you need is your smartphone and DeepSeek. Start implementing these strategies today, and you'll be on your way to making $12,500 in no time. If you want to learn how this strategy works step by step, click the link in the description to start learning today. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more tips on making money online.